So today I'm unboxing the Honor MagicWatch 2, the 46mm version. You see the watch right here. The second strap. The charging cable, the charger, and some instructions, etc. So let's put it aside. Here is a watch. So that's what's inside the box. You see it has a pretty large Type-C cable, the magnetic charger, as you can see, snaps right over, only from one direction, and it's very good quality sports band, black, very good. The watch, as you can see, is very good quality, premium materials, the charging port, it is genuine leather also, the brown strap, as you can see I have already set it up. And here is the watch with the sports strap. You can see it clear. It's very minimal and very comfortable for running, walking and other activities.